headlines. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla highlights various achievements of government. Warish JESSIA suspends agitation. MHRC team visits Central Sajiwa Jail. And 21st Annual Conference of Northeastern Economic Association kicks off at Manipuri University. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA, giving you the news in details. The 10th session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly began today. The full budget session began with the governor's address in the House. In her address, the governor said that her government is deeply committed to protecting the interests of the indigenous people of the state. She termed the implementation of the long-standing demand of the people, the Inner Line Permit ILP system, as a landmark decision. She said for the ILP, which was implemented from January 1st this year, the government is launching online portal for issuing ILP for the larger benefit of the people. Acknowledging the improvement in the security environment of the state, Dr. Heptulla said that with signing of Memorandum of Understanding with various insurgent groups, over 644 cadres have joined the mainstream. In her around 1 hour 20 minutes long speech, the governor has highlighted various achievements of her government. The 15-day-long budget session will continue till the 28th of this month and will have 11 sittings. And Biren, who is also the finance in charge, tabled supplementary demands for grants for the fiscal 2019-20 in the House, which was followed by budget estimate for the year 2020-21. The Joint Action Committee JESSIA against the brutal killing of Sheikh Waris has decided to suspend protests. Addressing the media at Manipur Press Club Imphal, JESSIA convener Maulana Habibullah informed that an agreement was reached during a meeting with Chief Minister N. Biren, Superintendent of Police Thawal and Superintendent of Police Imphal West, following which the protest was suspended. Maulana Habibullah said the Chief Minister has assured of conducting a magisterial inquiry into the death of Warish and a report would be submitted within 30 days. It was also agreed that 3 personnel of Sajiwa Jail Sector 7 who were on duty at the time of his death will be suspended. Besides providing a government job to the next of kin and paying an ex gratia amount of Rs 5 lakh to the family.
Manipur government ki maikai dagi siriba misi asigi matangda achumba langla langjin puthoktuna asumba puthokani haiba aduga magisterial inquiry haidi kudaktagi hauraga 30 days ki manungda akhoi gi government da submit taunabagi damakta akhoi order amasu akhoi na paijare thokre ngarang loina na JESSIA na hairiba misi asigi matangda achumba du puthok pinabagi damakta Human Rights Commission da case ama file tauduna misi asida chenariba mioi sing dandi phanghan binabagi damakta su JESSIA na khongjang changsin jagani hana press media gi mamangda phongdokjari.
A team of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC, led by its acting chairperson Khaidem Mani, today visited Central Sajiwa Jail Imphal, where MD Sheikh Waris was found hanging recently. MD Sheikh Waris was allegedly to have murdered Kulakpam Washima, a 19-year-old girl. Official of Forensic Science Superintendent of Police Sajiwa Jail, Sokolal Tautang, Senior Advocate of Manipur High Court M. Ibohal, and others accompanied the MHRC team. During the visit, a team also interacted with 27 inmates regarding their issues encountered inside the jail. Khaidem Mani said that the visit was made to gather first-hand knowledge about the incident for investigation. He said that, based on information provided by the jail authority and forensic team, it was learned that Waris was blindfolded. Khaidem Mani said the Commission will consider taking up further necessary legal actions in connection with the incident.
Human rights awareness kaya so pangthung na ba ay jail gi ay additional DGP maroi na dongel sata ay hire adu jail gi superintendent so ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯏꯟꯚꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯔꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯀꯦꯝꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯖꯦꯜ ꯚꯤꯖꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ.
Notably, the Manipur Human Rights Commission (MHRC) has registered a suo motu case on the death of Saik Warish in Sajiwa jail. MHRC has directed the DGP Manipur to submit a detailed report on the incident before the Commission on or before February 24 for further proceeding. The DGP of Manipur Police was also directed to instruct IGP Prison Manipur to be present at Central Jail Sajiwa during chairperson visit for inquiry on February 14. A two-day-long 21st Annual Conference of Northeastern Economic Association (NEA) has kicked off at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University, Kanchipur today. The conference is organized by Manipur University Economics Department under the sponsorship of Indian Council of Social Science Research, New Delhi. Several research scholars from other Northeast states and students of the university took part in the opening function. In his speech, Manipur University Administrator General Singh said adequate knowledge of economics, physics and mathematics will help in achieving success in every field. He urged all concerned to share the output of the conference to the state government so that it can use it in developmental activities of the state.
The gentleman who later on became the Vice President of America, Dick Cheney, he came to meet the Prime Minister, and I took him to Prime Minister Devgowda to meet him. And he was that time chairman of a oil company which was exploring gas in Myanmar and Bangladesh. So they were interested in selling gas and oil to India from either Myanmar or Bangladesh. And in India you have the 17% nominal protection for the Indian refineries, 17%. But if you increase the your tariff on crude oil, your protection will go up and down.
Class 12 examination 2020 has begun today at 101 centers across the state amidst tight security. The examination is conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, (COSM). A total of 29,144 students are appearing in the exam this year. 20,369 in science, 8,065 in arts and 710 in commerce streams. The board examination 2020 will commence on February 17. Chief Minister and Marine and Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam has conveyed their best wishes to the students appearing in the council and board exams 2020. Altogether, 295 students are appearing in the council examination 2020 in Jiribam district at two centers of Jiribam Higher Secondary School and Borobekra Higher Secondary School. Volunteers of Manipur Students Federation (MSF), Jiribam District Committee and Kangleipak Students Association (KSA), Jiribam inspected the examination centers. President MSF Jiribam District A. Rajiv expressed happiness that the center witnessed smooth conduct of the examination.
School authority amadi posem de lakpa flying squad team nam kum ne jeng sinjara matamda thong naуда se machet amadi guide ki paper setat pa khotat ba asugumba kaya maram thengna jari maramaduna lakadori ba exam singda ngasi thari ba exam sing gi hena yamna mamutaba afaba mahiro ema putongna hona da afaba satra ba putongna hona da yam kumna cheksenna pangdong ina.
Thambal Marie College in Bishnupur district also witnessed smooth conduct of class 12 examination on the first day. Altogether, 282 students from Human Resource Development HRD Ghari School and King's Academy Nambol School are taking the examination at the center.
Yamna Santi Lena Niom Sumna Pangtupiba Center Maya Mama Horagadi Manipur gi examination gi center gi Fazarba Masa Amalaga Afaba Angang Maya Mama Thorakani Haibagi Asa Aikoi Tambayai Adona Council na Hona Biriba Yamna section na Honerba Pakagi system as Maksu Yamna Taganingai Oiriana Kali Hojaki Mamanga de Leramba Kongban Chiambagi Adagi mayam ama kuirang lang bagi pot mayam do hojikti leitre na khalli.
Department of Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development Mahut, Manipur has appealed to the people to give feedback on Imphal Smart City Ease of Living Index. Briefing media at the conference hall of City Convention Center, Imphal today, Mahut Director M. Joyce said that so far the department has received 93 feedbacks. He informed that data collection for Smart City conducted by Mahut ended today. He said feedbacks booth will be open at colleges, banks, hospitals, etc. as around 10,000 feedbacks on ease of living index are required.
Municipality की performance से सिगी aseng data si 75% ji minimum adu yorok paduni ko ngai jiri si adu madubu yorogadi ko ngasigi phamiba mifam ngasigi press conference asigi aseng ba magi success hoire haibadu ko phangjagidori.
United College Lambung, Chandal under the aegis of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India today organized a debate and cultural dance competition under Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat, RUSA at United College Lambung, Chandal. Principal of United College Lambung, Dr. B.D. Thumdal, Program Coordinator Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat, RUSA Dr. Mohammad Mustaki Ahmed, Associate Professor Dr. R.K. Hemanta and Assistant Professor H.B. Munkel attended the opening function. Dr. B.D. Thumdal told the gathering that the competition was held to unite India through cultural exchange by students from different parts of the country. The program also made the students aware of other cultures. 2 colleges from Madhya Pradesh took part in the competition, which will be held every month. Beside cultural programs of Madhya Pradesh, a debate on Madhya Pradesh state was held during the competition. Rimtha Huten won the first prize and P.S. Joycelyn bagged the second place in the debating competition held on the topic, Education will bring more development in Madhya Pradesh.
As per the direction of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, New Delhi, Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat, shall 2 pair colleges in Madhya Pradesh have been selected for United College Lambung Chandal, namely Rani Durgavati Puji College Mandla and Chandra Vijay College Dindori. Our main objectives are to conduct cultural exchange program, to uphold unity in diversity, and to tap or harness the talents and skills of our students.
The Chief Minister's Secretary has informed that the Hill Leaders Day and Miyamgi Numit will be held jointly on February 22nd. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam today extended help to TN Memorial Academy located at Champrathong in Hairok Part 3, where a major fire took place in the wee hours of February 12th. Properties worth around Rs 80 lakhs were destroyed in the fire. Belongings of students staying in the academy boarding were burned to ashes in the blaze. The local MLA, T.H. Radheshyam, distributed books, pen and edible items to the students. IMUL students have formed an IMUL Students Union during a function at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. They said their long-cherished dream has been fulfilled now. Several journalists were also present at the event, during which office bearers of the union were also elected. Achung Lianate has been appointed as the president, C.H. Thangboy as vice president, and Songthu Dampu as general secretary. Talking to reporters, IMUL Tribal Union, Manipur President R.T. Akel IMUL said that the newly formed IMUL Students Union will help in accomplishing pending tasks of IMUL students.
aduna ngasi di difang oidana leirami baput asi ngasi de gi khoi IMUL gi student union asi form tawjari haibase mayam singe pawmi singe mafam da thamjabani.
Former MLA Okram Joy today lambasted the Manipur government for its failure to implement the Sanamahi Lining Code, which was passed in 2002 in the State Assembly. In this regard, a press meet was held at Manipur Club Imphal, which was organized by 15 organizations under the supervision of Yelhomi Thopai. Veteran political Okram Joy further demanded that Sanamahism be given as a religious minority status, as it is one of the oldest religions of the Southeast Asia, with around 3 lakh followers. Joy expressed fear that if the religion does not get a code in the census operation 2020-21, it has to wait another 11 years.
Manipur ki mi lak puntra ki census ta sana mai dharma chapai di mi lak ani makhai ahum kaktene moi kari ki religious minority oi re ta ge sida leiba muslim inge ada ate ate the majority ne ba they are minority religious minority sana mai dharma chapakam se religious minority ne lok to pio hoji census si sahi am kakta ngai re matam nangaroi damni handa ki sida da nanghau ba sahi tarama thema delay tawdori ne it is the high time.
Kaching police has arrested a 24-year-old man for allegedly raping a woman and looting rupees 1,15,000 from her. The accused befriended the woman through Facebook. He has been identified as Irom Chingkhainganba alias Grivyas of Tangjeng Kunau Maning Laikai, Kaching district. The incident happened on 8th of February at Kaching Ningthau Laikai. In connection with the incident, a press meet was held yesterday at the office of Kaching District Superintendent of Police Y. Victoria. The SP told journalists that based on a complaint filed by the victim's family on 9th of February at Kaching Police Station, accused Chingkhainganba was arrested from Gariawang Laikai in Imphal West. Rupees 30,000, a mobile phone and the clothes belonging to the victim were also recovered from his possession. Victoria also informed that Chingkhainganba was earlier arrested by Suknu police in 2017 under the POCSO Act in a separate case.
Phone the boy wrong numbers ki through the Kangnaba mi sing Sibu Yam Jackson Gadabani Aduga Songi site da ID different volume the lady Bani Kanano Karino Kangbanate Haribanupa Masako accused Sisu Marks the already married person ni Magi newborn Anganga Masulai Dore and Pakang Saraga cheat toba Sekoyam Toida Tegne na Akoina Nubi Mazasing the Hining Badi Masigumba Facebook Oigera wrong numbers ki through phone ki number da mi se thazadaba amadi yam Jackson na laigadabani.
A two-day program on nature for civil societies, which began on February 12, concluded yesterday. The program was organized by Thoubal Forest Division under the aegis of Nature Learning Center, National Mission of Himalayan Students NHMS, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. During the program, 3 teams under the supervision of Divisional Forest Officer DFO, Thoubal Deblalai Prakpum carried out head count of migratory birds at Karungpat, Ikopat and Waithopat. Pungyar Assembly Constituency MLA K. Laishio said the ongoing improvement work of Kasom Kulen Nambisa Road will be completed within this year. Laishio was inspecting an under-construction ground at Nambisa, Imon. He said that power supply and road connectivity level have increased under the present government. The General Conference comes sports meet of Tangkul Ajay Katamnao Long will be held at the newly constructed ground this year. Laishio stated that the estimated cost of the ground will be around Rs 1 crore. The MLA expressed hope that the upcoming conference at the ground will be a spectacular event.
This Lambi is the continuation of Sangsak Technopol Road. National Highway number 102A has denoted Taurag sanction approval to Pangramni Tabak Honaba. Aduna before the sports Lambi City Parani. Adami Mayam Chatok Chachindi, Dum Nungan Hojik as of now, a local area de Gidum, take tak toba, not adu not tragashu sidagi social worker khara laibsingna khoi mayam pul laga JCB or bulldozer marak marakta nongchu da thada karida dum minister chatpani.
Peace and Development Coordinating Committee today slammed the state government for not maintaining quality control in the construction of culvert at Patlo under Kundrakpum constituency. Speaking to reporters, Secretary of PDCC Thaudam Hamjit said that the construction work does not meet the average standard. Hamjit further accused the contractor, top official of PWD, local MLA and Works Minister of carrying out such a substandard work. Hamjit informed that a public interest litigation PIL was filed in Manipur High Court on February 10 on the matter, and thereafter the court ordered all concerned to stop all construction works against work order schedule, which shows that law prevails in the state.
Thongasi niyom ge wangmada sajilapa department ki general myoising AS Prakash amadi chief engineer ki matakta akan action logodamne hana koi PDCC na ban phawba tawkhre chief engineer TM amasung honorable minister Biswajit ki poktang makhar chathabani hadna haukiba media thong da sengdok pire minister Biswajit amasung local MLA ne se puna loktuna bane habse ekhoina mayek seng khale anno lenga sida miyam thajaba thami ba se soidna maki honorable court ki asugum lobo order singa ta tar di miyam thajaba do manglagani habse ekoi PDCC site gi thamjari.
Now we have the sports news. The two-day second Royal Riders Manipur Annual Sports Meet was kicked off today at Kongpal Kongkham Laikai Club Ground. The sports meet is jointly organized by RRM and Kongpal Kongkham Laikai Club. 4 teams are competing in various events like football, arm wrestling, 100 and 400 meter relay race, shot put and figure of 8 race. Speaking about the sports meet, President of Royal Riders Manipur Laishra Momocha said that the sports meet is organized to spread awareness to the people on healthy lifestyle without drugs. Members of club also planted saplings around Kongpal Kongkham Laikai Club Ground. The quarter-final leg grouping match of the ongoing 13th Jury Cup Invitational Football Tournament ended in a draw with 2 goals each today. The match was played between MPSC and Chiru SC. The tournament is organized by Old Jiribam Sports Association AJSA Jiribam at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground. BYA Kairang will clash with WYFC Wangjing in the first match tomorrow, while UBFC and FC Lamjao will play the second match. AC Milan and Juventus went into a 1-1 draw in the first leg of Coppa Italia semi-final at Milan in Italy yesterday. Ante Rebic of AC Milan scored a lone goal after 61 minutes and took the lead. However, Cristiano Ronaldo penalty kick helped Juventus to score a goal. In the last 18 minutes of the match, the host team were reduced to 10 men when defender Theo Hernandez was shown second yellow card for a rash challenge on Paulo Dybala. Napoli defeated Inter Milan in 1-0 in the first leg of the other semi-final in Milan last Wednesday. Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB, the Indian Premier League IPL franchise, today unveiled a new logo ahead of the 2020 edition of the tournament, which gets underway on March 29. Embodying the bold pride and the challenger spirit, we have unleashed the rampant lion, returning him to the royal lineage, RCB wrote on their social media profiles. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Top news headlines. Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah highlights various achievements of government. Waris JESSIA suspends agitation. MHRC team visits Central Sajua Jail. And 21st Annual Conference of Northeastern Economic Association kicks off at Manipuri University. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.